Today we review the ring boxes, honeymoon edition. Y'all already know on Wednesdays we talk about weddings, and today I want to chat with you all about the must-have bridal subscription of 2021, aka the ring boxes. About a month ago or so, the ring boxes reached out to me about gifting me a really cute bridal box, and I was super stoked for it. But the only catch was, by the time that I were to actually have received the box, our wedding would have already have passed. So that kind of sucked. But the good news is that the ring boxes specifically hand picks and curates your box. So they actually ended up sending me a honeymoon box edition, and I'm super excited to open it, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's check it out. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so first it says, let's get you ready for your honeymoon. The time has come and you are officially married. We have some much needed accessories inside to help ensure you have the best honeymoon ever. Love the ring box. Super cute, I love this, and it has like a whole like about us section. You can win some ring boxes, what's inside. This is the cutest thing. First thing we have here that's I feel taking up the most space is this super cute just married sun hat. So cute. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I have a really big head. So let's see if this will fit. Kind of. It kind of fits. It kind of fits my big head. I have this ongoing joke that hats choose me. I do not pick the hats. But I do love it. I will say I do love the hat. Super cute. I love it. It says just married. Super cute. I love it. Now we have the ring boxes just married car detail. It literally says just married in the super cutest font. I love that. Super freaking cute. Just married. That's us. Then next we have, oh my gosh, this is super cute. We have a magnet, and it says happily ever after, and you can place a cute little photo behind it. It's just like a really cute frame for a magnet. Super cute. Ooh, and then we have a couple luggage tags. So the adventure begins. One is in gray and one is in pink. I honestly need a new little luggage tag, so I think this would be perfect. And then next we got a cute shirt. Let's open up the shirt. See what the shirt says. Oh, there's a hashtag. Let's see. So it says, I woke up like this. Hashtag married. That's super cute. I'm a fan. Okay, and then last thing in here, let's see. Oh, this is super cute. It's like a makeup bag that says happily ever after. Y'all, I really like this. This is super dang cute. And that's it. And overall, y'all, I really like this subscription box. It is super cute. I love that it is specifically tailored and hand-picked for you. Like, honestly, I was so bummed that I wasn't able to get a box, but then they made me a honeymoon box, and this is amazing. I've got several things in here that I cannot wait to use. Some things I wish I could use big head probs. But overall, the ring boxes was super cute. And what's super cool about the ring boxes is that they have a year subscription, 9 months, 6 months, 3 months, even month-to-month subscription. So definitely check that out. And they also have really cool gifts that you could buy. You can actually buy a one-time gift box and you can gift it to someone. They even have a groom's box. They've got really cute like totes and just other cute stuff for sale on top of just the subscription boxes. But yeah, I am super grateful, so thankful for their ring boxes for sending me this, and I really like it, y'all. I'll definitely link all their details down below, so make sure you check that out too. But I'm super stoked, very grateful, and I cannot wait for our honeymoon, which is actually this month. So stay tuned, follow me on Instagram because I post there pretty much every day, but I'll definitely have some honeymoon content and updates, where we're going, where we're headed, all that cool jazz. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and until the next time.